IOP level of care, so that's intensive outpatient program. I think a lot of people, a misconception is they think that it's always just a step down from residential or from a PHP program, but it can also be a step up. So what that means is, when you're in residential, you're living on site, it's more 24-hour support for a lot of these programs. We have mission prep for teens, that's our residential, and AMFM also has adult residential programs. So, residential is kind of when you're getting more crisis stabilization, it's like a higher level of care that you may need at the moment. So you can, afterwards, you want to step down. Instead of just going to no support or just one therapy session a week, you want to step down strategically to really help you maintain the progress that you've made. So PHP is another level of day program, Monday through Friday. And then there's IOP. And IOP is 3 hours of programming per day and at least 3 days a week. But our program, we could do 3 days, 4 days, 5 days as option. So stepping down, we're really helpful. But then we are helpful as a step up for people too. So say you go to therapy, you go to just a regular outpatient therapist, you're going once a week or every other week, and that's all you're doing, and your symptoms are not getting better. You're feeling this isn't enough support for me throughout the week. Sometimes we just go through things in life where we need more support throughout the week instead of just 1 hour of therapy a week. So it's kind of like if you think of going to the gym, sometimes we need to go a little bit more often during the week for our physical health, and one time a week doesn't cut it. So intensive outpatient is a step up where you get not just one individual session a week, you get groups throughout the week, at least, again, 9 hours of programming throughout the week. So you get group support, you get individual, you get medication management. We bring in families for the adult program. They sometimes bring in spouses, partners to do, some couple support. So you get kind of a full picture of support where you feel fully supported throughout the week.